CareWell is an European project with the aim to deliver the integrated healthcare services for elderly people. The local health authorities number 2 and Arsenal.it are involved in the project for the Veneto region. The aim of Arsenal.it is support the local health authorities number 2 in the definition of the technical and organizational requirement to carry out the integration of different systems. Arsenal is in charge also to support the local health authorities number 2 in developing of the pilot and in the data management and in the data analysis for carry out the HTA report.